Hi guys, good evening. Yes, it's currently 8:35 in the evening. It is Sunday, February 23, and I'm filming right now because I'm gonna unbox something, and I feel like hindi nyo siya expect sa akin na unboxing. I'm gonna unbox something I ordered 2 days ago. Yeah, 2 days ago. Let's unbox it together! Oh my god! She gave me freebies! Oh my god! Teka lang! This is what I got! I got a photo card or photo cards of Chonghan. My friends basically influenced me to become a carrot. So I'm gonna cry. I'm so happy, but hello guys. I think you can hear the fan. Hold on. Wednesday today, it's gabi na, and it's February 26. 7:37 p.m. right now. I'm gonna be vlogging because I'm pulling an all-nighter again kasi it's our midterms week. Alam nyo, sobrang gulo ng midterms like schedule namin kasi dapat ang start niya talaga is like February 26, which is yesterday. Pero, ang daming mga prof ko yung like advance sila nagbigay ng midterms para daw hindi na sabay-sabay. I mean, it's a good thing. Pero at the same time, like ngayon, parang pang 3rd week ko na nag-all-nighter and nag-aaral. So, I'm just so done with it, and I still have 3 exams left. I have 1 tomorrow and then 2 next week pa. So, parang yung midterms namin, like hiwa-hiwalay siya. Pero, I will start to lock in. And alam nyo, test ko na talaga sa sarili ko na my brain works better at night, and kapag madaling araw, kahit super like inaantok na ako or super like tiring niya, like mas nag-work talaga sa akin yung ganun kasi yung sa hapon ako mag-start mag-review, parang wala akong na-absorb. I guess my brain works like that.
Oh, are you vlogging?
I am. Wala pa ako sa kalahati. Es mag-1 na. Guys, good morning. It is 8:04 a.m. It's a Sunday. It's March 23, and every Sunday I have my ballet classes. So, paalis na ako ngayon since yung class ko is 11 AM. Pero, nagko-commute kasi ako going there. So, I need to allot like at least 1 hour and a half. And then, baka mag-breakfast na lang ako dun. Kaya, medyo maaga rin ako ngayon. And this is my bag. It's very cute. And I got this from Shein as well. Alam nyo, most of my clothes are from Shein or Instagram shops or mga pop-ups. Dun lang umiikot yung closet ko. This is the... Oh! I forgot my wallet. Wala pa akong wallet. Wait lang. Right now because may binili ako sa dance store here in Makati. I don't know if you can hear me, guys. I'll just put on like captions. But yeah, I'm just walking to One Ayala ngayon. And I'm gonna go home. 안녕하세요. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get copyrighted. French Shizu. Oh my gosh, record ko na. Copyrighted. I have a taste test. See that? Key. It's choco pan. Melon pan. Choco pan.
Meron pang. Hindi ka, meron pang. Meron pang. Choco pang.
Wow. So beautiful. It will be mixed by blur na lang. Pili lang kayo. Baka pwedeng yung pag naka-open na yung yeah, pag naka-open na pa. Okay, let's start. Sinetin nyo na. Dapat may mga cotton, hygiene. Or chicken.
Okay.
Be? 3 left. 3 left? Hello! Yes, kakauwi ko lang kasi nagpunta ako sa condo ng friend ko kay Gabi because we went there to asikaso yung final project namin for FSTC. On my camera because I want to unbox some of these packages with you guys. Actually, ito na lang yung unbox ko kasi this one, unbox ko na siya kanina. And I'm gonna show you guys the things I got because this is full of like stationery stuff and cute anik-aniks. And alam ko na interested din kayo sa mga ganon. So, let's unbox it. I'm so happy with my package kasi sobrang cute na mga in-order ko. I'm gonna show them one by one. This small sticker book kasi sobrang cute ng mga stickers. Ang ingay naman sila. Look at the stickers. Photo booth. So this is everything I got, guys. I got a lot of like mga cute decors, mga anik-aniks. And then I got this one kasi ang dami naming like photo booth pictures ni JP. So I got this para may pang-display ako somewhere here. As for my binders, mga photo cards ko para may decor. Then I got a lot of holes, like then the sticker book. Put the links down below if you guys want any of these items. Just click it down below, then add to cart kayo. My next package, this one, kanina ko pa siya na-unbox. As in, pagdating nung package, dinala ko na siya with me papunta dun sa condo ng friend ko. Then in-unbox ko siya doon kasi hindi na ako makapaghintay. Nasa bahay ko pa siya unbox pag uwi ko. This is a photo book ng 17, pero this is a unit photo book since 3 members lang yung nandito sa photo book na to, which is si Q, si Jun, and si Jonghan. I'm gonna show you guys ano yung mga kasama niya. First, we have this keychain. It's like a videotape. This one, ito yung postcards. Postcard siya, and ito yung POV postcards kasama yung unit 2 or episode B na unit ng photo book na to since 6 members in total for both photo books kasi ibang members wala pa silang release. This one is so cute. It is a garland like yung sinasabit and just them. So cute. It's so adorbs. June, Jonghan, cute. I don't know lang kung saan ko siya isasabit. But I'ma keep it for now. Photo cards. Ito talaga yung nagpabudol sa akin kasi ang cute ng photo cards nila. Like, look at Jonghan. With an orange. This is called the Ponghan PC. You get me? Ponghan. It's very cute. With an orange. And this one. Alright. Look at June. May apple siya sa head. You. Then for the photo book, it's so heavy. Like, the quality is really nice. And then, hindi ko napapakita each page, but I'm gonna show you my favorite page. This one! I saw it. It's this one. It's Jonghan with glasses. I really feel na sobrang bagay sa kanya nung gantong classic frame. Like, may kasama pa pala siyang poster. I forgot. Yep, this poster. Nakahiga lang sila sa bed. Kasi parang ganun yung theme nila. I'm very happy with this package.